Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I just came here to record this video because I just wanted to let you know that my Instagram account just got suspended, and I have been waiting for that account to come back for last 3 days, but I didn't received any notifications or any email from Instagram. I'm still waiting for it and thinking that what's next with this process is that for first and second day I was just hoping that the account will come to me, and eventually I will start posting. But here is what I found, that like firstly I feel like this is what happens. My Instagram got banned second time. Like first time it just came back to me very easily, but this time it's not, like there's no notification or something like that. This account was my fourth Instagram account, like where I was posting reels and creating videos, and that eventually got suspended. It feels very bad because you put so much of effort, so much of time towards building something. As I know, I don't have any attachment towards the engagement or the followers I'm getting, but I have put in a lot of efforts to post reels, to do something great, and I do have few of goals with it, but I don't know what's next coming to me. Like, I don't know. I'm just waiting and hoping for the best at this moment. Also, I had a breakthrough today morning, which is like when I was doing meditation, I got to know why I'm just sticking towards my Instagram. I can post on LinkedIn, Twitter, or YouTube itself. I also thought about this thing, like why should I depend on one thing, and why I'm building something on a rented land where that it get anytime it get suspended, or anytime I have no control over that. But I can't do anything right now. Those who were connected with me, they asked me like what happened, Vanshika. Even my followers also found my personal account, and they messaged me over there like, Vanshika, you blocked us, or like what happened, like we are not able to see your account. And that moment felt really amazing to me. Like even people are understanding me. People are asking me about what exactly going with me. I have given something to this world in very less amount of time, very less amount of period, but still people are caring about my stuff as well. And that's what I love about posting Instagram. And that's the only thing that I wanted to always show myself on Instagram. That's the core thing I had. Just for this I wanted to post on Instagram. But yeah, I will not stop here. Like I'll figure out the way, or again I will create my fifth Instagram account to post. Like, so let's see what happens next. I was sharing about the breakthrough, right? So this is what it comes to me. Like the goal I had in my mind was different than Instagram. Like I don't want it to have like 10k 20k followers. I know that they eventually will come to me, because that's the result of whatever I'll do, right? So my goal was to achieve something different, and for that what's going on right now on my Instagram was totally different. I'm not attracting the right people over there according to my goal. Might be that has God has given me the chance to rethink about the situation I'm in, and I'm grateful for the situation that it led me here, and I'm able to question my goal again, and I'm able to question the thing is going on with me, because Instagram growth and engagement is just a pie in a cake, and it is just taking my whole day. Like every day I'm just scrolling, seeing, again notifications are coming, people are coming, people are DMing, and obviously I'm doing great there as well. But towards what I have shared to the universe, whatever I have told that this is what I wanted to achieve, this is what I want. Like Instagram is going some other totally different way, and my goals are totally different. So there is no alignment over it. Might be that's what universe wanted me to analyze over the situation, and I'm grateful that I'm able to handle this type of situation. In like I just have 2000 or 2500 people over Instagram, and my account got suspended. Like I got a life lesson over here. Like, might be people have 5 lakhs, 4 lakh, 2 lakh followers on Instagram, and what happened if they're fully dependent on it and they don't have any other thing. Like, I got to know there's a 7 million follower account got suspended just 3-4 days before my page, and they have like business. What happened to them? Like, that made me question my stuff as well. Like, and I just wanted to say, please stay connected. I'll post YouTube videos, and hopefully I'm sooner starting a Telegram channel or something like that, where will not even dependent on just, the content and all of this stuff. I know you guys love my mindset and, my journey and the skills I'm learning and growing myself, becoming my future version. And I know you guys love all of this thing. So I'll be creating a free channel where like a community or something on Telegram or something, and we'll stay connected over there. Like, I'll have a chat with you guys over there. So if you want to join that, join it. If you don't, it's up to you. But yeah, this is what I wanted to share, and I thought, you know I will share this thing with you guys. So yeah, thank you, but hoping for the best.